My friend DJ Kenny tell me say fi burn out some boy who borrow liquor. And me a burn up on no skin. Some no boy who borrow liquor from one friend bar fi go wet up people is not a good look. You know fi stop it. Oh, the man fi a Kansee liquor from somebody and you know want Kansee liquor from the man. Oh, the man don't make money. Just because you want go wet up people. It don't make it. You see me? Cranium song say buy what you want buy. It never say borrow what you want borrow. If you no can buy champagne, go buy Moscato and wet up the people them. And if you no can afford Moscato, don't bother put on that one, you can't reach it. Stop borrow to no friend liquor. My friend DJ Kenny say fi tell you no, stop borrow out in bar. Cause him can't make no money in him bar. You know fi stop it. Me drink Hennessy, and if me can afford a $50 bottle of Hennessy, me settle for a Guinness, or a Heineken, or a Magnum. Me not go far on that. You see it? So all of no boy want borrow the people them lick out of them bar, that's the man them can't make no money. It don't make no sense, because it make no sense. I want the blood clot some man for me if you Kansee liquor from a man. And then you are going to come Kansee my blood clot liquor from me. Where me make money from? I can't make no money. Oh, the bumbo clot this. Yo, no skin. Burn up. Yo, DJ Kenny. Anytime we go a bar for buy with liquor, we see some boy just a block up the bar. And them not buy nothing. And this will start tell some boy who wait for them friend for send cross liquor. My youth, move from the bar. Give me liquor way and make me buy me liquor star. What you a do? You just a crowd up the bar. Look how much people want buy liquor star. And you just want come Kansee the bar. My youth, move from the bar. Give me liquor way and make me buy me liquor star. What you want do? You want crowd up the bar. Look how much people want buy liquor star. And you want come Kansee out the bar. Some boy, wait till them friend done serve. Then them whisper in them ears. Yo king, put a box for reserve. My youth, move from the bar. Give me liquor way and make me buy me liquor star. Yo, move. Bad people thing. Some on the board just a crowd up the bar and now buy nothing. And just a wait for borrow and just out on a friend liquor. I want to know. Give me way and make we go buy a bottle of Hennessy or a Guinness or a Magnum. And the girl them a go buy them Baileys and them small bottle of Moscato. I want to know. Move up, man. Somehow no boy need to move from the bar. Give me some way make me buy my liquor star. Look how much people want support the bar and you a think about figure trust out the bar. My youth, move from the bar. Give me some way make me buy my liquor star. Look how much people want support the bar and you a think about figure trust out the bar. Somehow no friend really have a last nerve. Sit down and wait for your friend done serve. Figure whisper in him ears. Hey king. Put a box for reserve. No found no boy need to stop just liquor. Just because you no want be like Flipper. Somehow no boy still living in debt. Just out the bar and still no pay yet. But when this job no have to run way. Because of the bar they just not down there. Hey, move from the bar. Give me liquor way make me buy me liquor star. Look how much people want support the bar and do a thing about figure just out. Hey boy, move from the bar. Give me some way make me buy me liquor star. Look how much people want just out. Hey, chug bum buckler, I'm gone. Mother road.